Hello, this is Roberto and this is the HVAC my channel. Today we're going to be talking about we're going to print the report and also we're going to see the duct layout. We're going to try to make a very professional report, all right? And this is going to be the last video of the series of Wrightsoft training episodes that we've been watching, okay? So, but we're going to be making more videos absolutely about Wrightsoft, okay? So let's get into it. So this is where we left off, and in here we had one system, one story, and all the system is located in the attic. Okay, so number one, what we're gonna do is it depends on the designer, it depends on the taste. Everyone thinks different. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I have the grids in here, the grids, so I'm just gonna take off the grids for now so that way I could see better. Okay, number one, my CFMs, my airflow tags are inside the floor plan, so it depends on anyone. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna put it outside just to see, just depending how it looks better, right? So I'm gonna put that in there, all of them. See, I'm gonna put my airflow tags outside. We're gonna put it outside, all right, outside, and I'm gonna show you the report in a few. Okay, I'm gonna leave this inside for now. Okay, I'm gonna put that outside. So this is the process of polishing up. Okay, this is mainly cosmetics, because anytime that you are doing a job or a work, you want to show everything professional. Okay, number two, you have two options. Do you remember in here you have the critical path, but at times it's not a very good idea to put that, but depends again on the designer. So in order to not to show the critical path, what we're gonna do is right click it in here, and then we will have under ducts, under notations, we have the following. Actually it's under ducts. Under ducts it says show the longest run ducts. You say no, and then you press enter. There we go. So it goes back to normal. Now that we have that, we're gonna check the report, but you don't have to print the report until it's the end. Okay, so a very good trick not to print the report but see a preview is this option. You just want to see how it looks. Okay, so we go here to the icon that says print preview. So you click in there, print preview, and then you're gonna have options. You can print the loads, proposal, draw, equipment, and you can even make your own catalog, actually, your own library. So you can make a new library and you can put a name. You can, there's a lot of options. So now what we're gonna do is we only wanna check the drawing right for now. So we're gonna go here and check under drawing, and then we're gonna put preview. What does it give us? Okay, this is how it's gonna look. Number one, it's giving you options. What do you want to show in your duct layout? Do you want to show the building? Yes. The PDF, you don't need the PDF in this case, because we use the PDF only to show or to do the room layout. Okay, so we're not checking that, but if you want to show it, then you check it, but you don't want to show your PDF. It was just for important. You want to show the ducts notations, and you don't want to show the building notations. So we have that, and also you have a scale to fit. You can always choose the scale. You can choose 1/8, whichever, but in this case the default we have a scale to fit. You hit OK, and then there you go. That's how your report is gonna show, not your complete report, because for the complete report you have a lot of pages. And again, if you want to show more about that, I'm gonna show you right now. So how does it look? Because this is one of the most important sheets for your in your design. So technically the contractor is going to come over and see, okay, this is the duct, or those are the sizes, okay, and they are going to make markups too in here. So that's why this is very interesting, and that's where you show how professional that's your presentation. Okay, so you're going to be showing it. This looks good. There's the orientation, there's my duct layout, there's my rooms in here, and there's my duct sizes, my registers, and also you have this information down here. You can put your contractor's company, you can put the information of the a website, and then in here it shows the scale, and then Wrightsoft, and then the client, and who did this, and the job, manual JSD. There we go. So now what we're going to be doing, we're going to make this a little bit better. We're going to give you more options about this. Okay, so we're going to put close, but also since we're looking at the previews, you can also go to the preview again, preview, and then you have the options. What about if I want to check my loads, check draws, equipment, ducts? How about that? Or energy? So you're gonna go here, preview, and it's gonna show you these options. You don't need all of the rooms, just clear all and then show entire house, and then you hit OK, and then in OK it will show you how will it look, the report. So that way you don't have to print over and over and over again a PDF. So this is how it's gonna look. So many pages, right? But you can print all of the pages, and then if you want, you can delete 1, 2, 3 pages of PDFs, right? So now in this preview, you can use this zoom icon. It says plus and it says minus. So zoom in. All right, it's gonna show like this. So this is your first page of your report. And also you can add the logo of your company. If it's Coca-Cola Heating and Cooling, you have the logo. You upload that image to Wrightsoft and it's gonna show your logo, okay? All right, so in this case, since I didn't upload any logo, it's showing Wrightsoft by default, okay? So in this case, you're gonna be able to see job. In the job, you see manual JSD, the date, my initials, Remberto, and then you have the contractor's information. This information comes from the first page. I'm going to show you that in a few. So this is for who? John Smith and the address. You can put as many information as possible, okay? As much information as you consider good. So in here, you're going to be able to see the building analysis. You're going to be able to see the construction elements, see the U values. This is a complete report. See, you're going to be able to see the adequate exposure diversity. So every single room, how we did the load calculation based on ACCA. See, it's a complete report. And then also you're going to be able to see all these numbers. But honestly, we have to be practical. When you are in the field, you're not going to be checking at every single number. What the contractor usually checks is the duct layout, the sizes, and what is connected to what, right? So there we go. So that's why this is going to be a good presentation. We need to spruce this up to make it nicer. All right. This is the manual is indicating that your system passes ACA standards, right? And then in here you have, this is for permits. Okay, see, this is officially for permits, okay, depending on the county, but in other countries, depends what information they want to show, okay. Now we have this, the supply branches, and then more information about the duct sizes. See, in other videos, we're gonna go more specifically on that. And then you have the friction rate, 0.1, it's okay, it's passing. And now we're gonna put this in here, Energy Star, see? We didn't do Energy Star in this case, but this is an overview of what is the report. Okay, now what else can we do in here to make this a little bit nicer or look better? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this a little bit closer here, and again, depends on the taste on everyone. Everyone is different, but usually I like doing this like this way. All right. Now, what else can you put in here? I've shown in the other videos that we have this catalog bar. In the catalog bar, you're gonna have images that will not affect the duct calculation or the heat loads. These are just annotations, okay? For example, let's make this nicer. Look at this. In the kitchen, what are you gonna have? Okay, you're gonna have a stove. So then in the catalogs bar, by default, you have kitchen appliances. If you click in kitchen appliances, you're gonna be able to see a stove one. What you can do is you can just drag. This is just going the extra mile. As long this is done. But if you want to make it nicer, then you go to a stove, you just drag it, there is your stove. Where is it located? Put it anywhere, but in this case we had a PDF from the architect, right? So you can enable the PDF right here, check. Oh, the kitchen was around that area, right here. So then you uncheck it, you have an idea. So you put it there, see? And again, this will not affect the calculation. It's just like to make it look nicer. Now what I'm doing is copying, Control C, Control B. You can just make it bigger, see? Make it smaller. You can rotate it. See? You're gonna have 90 degrees there. You can do anything you want, okay? So now that's gonna be for the kitchen, and then we're gonna have something else in here. Let's see that we have as the refrigerator. You don't have to put a lot of details on this. It's just like depends on every designer. If you have more time, or if you consider you need more, then it's okay. See, I'm gonna put 90 degrees there. There you go, 90 degrees. And then that's gonna be my fridge. And then I'm gonna put in here the PDF. There you go. Or you can use the arrows. Oh. In here we're gonna put this, there you go, and then you can put this right here. Yeah, we can put like that for now. All right, but now here is another question. You don't have in this catalogs bar any furniture for the bedroom, great room, bedroom. You don't have anything. By default, you get some. So how can you get more information? I'm gonna go there in a few. No, let's do it right now. Where do you get that information? It's already in your program in the C drive. So what happens is, like, look at this. You go here, anywhere, you right click, you're gonna add more catalog libraries to the catalog bar, way more. So you go right click and you're gonna go catalog. Under catalog you have open. When you click open in the catalog bar, it's gonna give you more choices in here, absolutely more choices. As you can see in here, you're gonna have this. By default, it goes to the Wrightsoft HVAC data. See, when you upload the program, when you download the program, and these are the catalogs that are available. Bath appliances, electrical, building components, which I have it in here already. What I want in this case is the indoor furniture. So I'm gonna click in indoor furniture and I'm gonna open. Automatically I have in the catalogs bar more information, more furniture. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be using this furniture again just to make it nicer. I'm gonna grab this, put it there. See, it doesn't work. Okay, no problem. Grab it, put it there. It doesn't work. Okay, let's see in here. So let's see again. Oh, it's not working. No, it's working. All right. So now you can do this, but actually now since you have a lot of selection, we're gonna choose this 3 green seat. You can choose any that you desire. So what we're gonna do is click here, just go here, and it's gonna paste. All right, so for the owner's bedroom, we're gonna put this couch, or actually for the great room. So we're gonna rotate this rotation. It's gonna be like 90 degrees rotation. There we go. And then we're gonna put it here. Now what you can do in here is make it smaller. I'm gonna make it smaller, grab one corner and then put it there. And another option is that you can always move these names. So click in the room, hold shift, and then drag this name like this. That's very helpful. Okay, now again I'm gonna lock the building so that way I don't affect it. Okay, so now my trick, check and uncheck, so that way this is enabled. Okay, so now we have that, and then we're gonna go again for the bedroom. So for the bedroom, we're gonna have this. Maybe we need beds, so I'm gonna put some beds in there. And again, this is just to show how it looks. Okay, we're gonna put it here, maybe a double bed or a single bed. Let's put a double in here. Right there you go. And then we can make it smaller, bigger. But we're gonna keep it this size. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna rotate this like 90 degrees. Let's see, 90 degrees. I wish, yeah, 90 degrees. There we go. And then I'm gonna put it on this side. See? Okay, I'm gonna move this a little bit up, and they're gonna have their nightstands there. Okay, so now we're gonna put something for the bathroom. So in the bathroom, let's go here, kitchen appliances, and then in kitchen appliances, actually not really bath appliances, we're gonna have this toilet. So I'm gonna have one toilet right here, and then I'm gonna have another toilet right here, owner's bathroom. But we're gonna see where they are located. So enable the PDF, and then you have those locations. In bath number 1, we have in here 1, number 2 in there. So I'm gonna go here, and then you can rotate this again. Rotate, and we'll rotate this like 180 degrees. There we go, 180. Here we go, and then put it there. And then the other one is correct right there. Okay. On the bedroom number 2, I'm gonna put one bed, a single bed. So I'm gonna put in here indoor furniture. You go here and then select bedrooms, I mean beds. So we're gonna put in bed a single bed. There we go, drag it right there. Okay, let's see, drag it, doesn't work again. Yeah, at times it could be glitches, but in this case it's just like sometimes we were locking this. So for example, if we do building like that and then it's locked, but we have our trick of checking and unchecking, then it's enabled. All right, so let's continue. Let's see, bed number 2, it's gonna go here, and then it's there. Now we're gonna rotate this again 90 degrees. Here, what about if we put it like this? Well, we're not architects, but this is just for the looks, like they say. Okay, there we go. We're gonna make this smaller, like this, smaller. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing for the bedroom. So I'm just pretty much copy pasting. There we go. Put it a little bit up. Okay, so there we go. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the names. So I'm gonna click on the room, so unlock the building, and then click on the room, move this name. Wait a minute, let's move this name a little bit all the way up. Bedroom number 3, put this catalog there. Okay, but now there is also another concept in here. What if I wanted to put this in here? Right? So it wouldn't look good because it's covering the duct. So what happens is that this is the latest item we added. So what I'm gonna do is delete this duct. Okay, again, I'm going to lock my building, so that way I don't have an issue selecting my duct. And I'm going to delete this duct. Let's see, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to create a new duct and connect it again. I'm gonna connect it again to the register. So that's the latest operation I did, therefore is above this image. So that's the trick. Alrighty, so now we have everything, but you can always go more and more in detail, but it's not needed, but depends again on the designer or on the contractor. But let's look at this and see how it looks. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see. So we go to preview right here, preview, and then under preview again we go to preview, and then under preview we're just gonna check, I'm interested in the duct layout. All right, so preview. Okay, and then not good. Again, I'm gonna hit an X. Again, preview, duct, under duct, not really duct actually. We want to see the draw. Okay, so preview, scale to fit. Okay, there we go. So this is how it's gonna look in your report. So it's gonna look like different materials, or it's gonna look like your catalog elements and everything like that. So as you can see in here, the contractor is easy gonna be able to see, okay, these are the sizes, these are the registers, okay, this is in the restroom, bedroom, great room, kitchen. And then you can always add, okay, for the laundry I'm gonna need a dryer, I need to put a 4-inch exhaust duct, or whatever you need to add in here, ventilation, exhaust ducts for the bathrooms, any other detail you can add. Okay, so in this case, this is how we do the report and the preview. One last thing in here, I'm gonna hit X. So now that you are already ready for printing out, you can do Control P, or go here. In here it says print. So you go print, and then you can choose whatever type of report you need to print in here. So it says printing here, right? So that's the other one. And then I didn't show the project information, but in the project information you can put any information as relevant as you want in here. So overall, this is the review, and this has been the series of videos we've been showing about Wrightsoft to do heat load calculation, to do manual S for sizing, and to do manual D. So in the next videos, I'm gonna be showing separately how to do heat load calculations in Wrightsoft for townhomes. We can do also heat load calculations for multifamily applications and different type of application. For example, this is the basic single home, one story. What if we have one basement, 2 floors, or even what if we have 3 floors? So there are different configurations and different tips and tricks that we're gonna be using in the next videos. And also we're gonna go into more details about how every single trick goes, how to read this. So of course we're gonna be making more videos about Wrightsoft. Okay, finally, I just want to say, whatever you do in life, every time we procrastinate is not a good idea. Whenever we do it, just do it now. Also, that's why it's like, just move fast, just do it now. I figured it would be a good idea to bring this up for everyone, because everything is practice. So if you want to know Wrightsoft, keep on practicing, keep on being in trouble, and learn from mistakes. All right, so subscribe and hit the like button, and thanks for checking my channel. HVAC is Matt. Thank you.